Hello everyone, in this video let's see how to enable Copilot in model driven apps. So this Copilot can be enabled for model driven apps or canvas apps. Okay, I'm going to show you for the model driven apps here. So let's go to our environment here, and in our environment go to settings, and in settings go to features. So go to Copilot. So by default it will be like sometimes on or off depending on your company's guidelines. So here I'm making this Copilot on, and once it is on, this Copilot can read the data from your Dataverse tables. Okay, now I'm showing you the view of active mobiles. Here active mobiles is one of the tables in Dataverse which I embedded in the model driven app. So now on the right side there is a Copilot icon. You can click it so that it will be enabled here. Already you can see how it works. So I'm just typing how many mobiles are there. So it's now start reading the data. It will be good for the managers who are working on these items. So you can see here there are 4 mobiles. So and also you can ask what is the costliest mobile here. Let's see whether it will give the correct answer for us. So we can see here Samsung S24 is a costliest mobile. So the Copilot also gave the same answer to us. So it basically is reading the items from our Dataverse tables and giving us the answers. And we can give like sometimes if you want any status like what is active or inactive items, so it will give. Still it is linear learning mode. So in the coming days I think Microsoft will enable more features here. And also we can see here this view prompts. Some example prompts are there here. We can see here so many 6 to 7 prompts are there. So and also here sometimes I just give inactive. So let's see how many inactive mobiles are there. So it must give Nokia, right? So see, we got the answer here. So like this we can have more number of questions to our Copilot system here. And also we can see more number of questions. If you want to ask, we can ask, or we can also, they have given some examples to how to ask this Copilot with view prompts here, if you observe on the right side. Okay, so we can also go directly into the item with these things here. So just scroll down your questions and click the view prompts, and you can see some categories here, and you can see some examples also here. So whatever you can make use of these examples and start working with the Copilot. Okay, so showcase this to your customers if you are in a company. So your customers will get delighted with this new feature, and try to check in your environments whether it is enabled or not. Okay, thank you for watching this. Thank you.